and sounds of letter G. Rules and sounds of letter G. The letter G has two main sounds. The letter G has the soft sound, and at the same time the letter G has the hard sound. The hard sound of letter G says G, G, G. The rule is, when letter G comes before A, O, and U, it usually has a hard sound. When the letter G is written before words that has letter A, letter O, and letter U, the short vowel A, O, and R, the letter G takes the hard sound pronunciation, that is the G sound. The letter G will be pronounced as G. When it comes before letter A, letter O, and letter U. For example, we have gates, game, goats, and gam. The soft sound of letter G says ch. The soft sound of letter G says ch. The sound of letter J. The rule is, when letter G comes before letter E, letter I, and letter Y, the tricky Y, when letter G comes before the letters E, I, and Y, it usually has the soft sound pronunciation. It takes the soft sound pronunciation, that is ch, the sound of letter J. Ch. For example, we have gen, gentle, giants, gym, giraffe, energy. When the letter G comes before letter A, letter O, and U, kindly pronounce the letter G as G. And when the letter G comes before letter E, letter I, and letter Y, the tricky Y, kindly pronounce the letter G as Ch, the sound of letter J. When it comes before the short vowel A, O, U, you say G. When it comes before letter E, I, and Y, you pronounce the letter G as Ch, the sound of letter J. Hope you've learned something new today. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.